Hi guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. So ax square plus 2hx plus by square equal to 0 is the equation representing pair of lines. We need to get the combined equation of these lines by taking the mirrors of the lines about the x-axis. How do we do this one? So let's look at these four options A, B, C, and let's get this answer and see what is the right one, right? So if we look at this ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, so we know that we can come up with like y equal to m1 plus x, y equal to m2 plus x, right? So this gives like m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h by b, right? If these lines are reflected about the x-axis, right, then we get that y plus m1x equal to 0, y plus m2x equal to 0. The combined equation of this is y plus m1x into y plus m2x, and this we know that m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h by b, so this gives by square minus 2hxy plus ax square equal to 0.